So when did they finish this?
Last Friday.
Wow. And the alders got to see it already, and all the
You next?
all the departments got to see it. You know, all the firefighters.
Right now, the firemen got to see it, the council got to see it, and the town chairman's got to see it.
Wow.
And as of the parade, which will be the last week of June, we're hoping it will be in the parade, and then from then on, it's up for the public to see anytime they want.
Wow.
And then we will definitely have a showing at Open House this year in October.
And this looks like all original.
It's
or,
all
or
original,
pretty close to
and it
as
actually
much.
pumps water.
Wow.
It took us 10 years. Actually, it'll be 9 years. We got it in 2005, and we just got it back last Friday,
Wow.
April 16th. I have a plaque in the back. We bought it brand new in April 16th in 1927 for $5,000, and repurchased it 65 years later for $85,000. And then we have pictures of what it looked like when we first bought it. This is what it looked like when we got it.
Wow.
And if you look, it has duals on it, but they put those on because they had an extra tank they added at one time. But originally it came looking like it does.
And there's on Prairie.
There was actually somewhere back in the 20s. And then here is actually the street.
Oh, the same one.
You know.
And why do they call it a Stoughton? Was it made in Stoughton?
That was the name of it, just like new trucks are Pierce or E1s.
Stoughton
or,
Wagon Works in Stoughton built it.
Actually, the Stoughton Trailers is part of the original Stoughton.
Well, it was called Stoughton Wagon.
Okay.
Made wagons and fire trucks.
And then here's where they were working on it when it wasn't completely done.
So who did the restoration?
I can't tell you. All I know is his name is Jim.
Oh,
And
okay.
he's from down by Milwaukee.
Bristol, down Bristol, Wisconsin.
Yeah, not
Okay.
Bristol, East Bristol, Bristol.
Bristol, Wisconsin, down by Kenosha.
Okay.
And then I have a plaque here. I don't know if you want to take a picture of it and read it, whatever.
Wow. So it tells pretty much the whole.
Tells you all
Story.
Took me a while to. I wanted to write it small enough that you could
Put it
get the
on a
whole
plaque.
effect without asking every time.
Yeah.
But I told Mr. Mayor the other night that this truck only lasted 13 years, and the new ones are lasting 25.
Looks like pretty new wood in there. Wow.
Some stuff we definitely didn't even try. You know, we could have bought new ones of these, but these are the originals, so we left them.
And these just are hose holders,
The
right?
hoses are coming.
Oh, okay.
We still got hoses to come. We got 3 more fire extinguishers to put on it yet. A couple nozzles.
Copper.
If you look in the picture, you can see that there were lanterns on it.
Oh, yeah.
We got them coming yet too. This one will not be played with. Another one the kids just crawl,
We'll get
crawl
together
around.
later, Cap, on that.
Okay.
This one we're not going to let kids crawl around.
Be roped off from the corner.
We'll be putting things around it. That's why that one, if we can't find anyone to buy it, we could keep that one for a play tool, but we don't have storage for 2 of them to begin with.